All right, we're getting the bike ready for a test ride. We're going to roll it out in just a moment. We're going to turn it around, give her a start, and Kevin will do a test ride. Now, I've already talked to Kevin, and we've agreed that he's going to do our normal test route, and if the bike is feeling good, he's comfortable, he's going to do it again. And if he's still feeling good and comfortable, he's going to do it a third time, just to put on as much of an extended test ride as we can do in our local neighborhood community. We never take them out on high-speed highways. We never get out of the community, but we do ride them up all the way through the gears. We have one street where we can sort of get on it, maybe get up to about 55, and then cut it off real quick to keep the neighbors happy. So he'll take it out and do a test ride, and we'll see how it goes. So right now, we're going to turn this bike around. Notice the royal we.
Yeah.
All right, petcock's on. You can give her a little bit of a tickle. Probably still warm.
He was funded. Norton, right? One up, three down.
Ah. Keep the brake on tight.
What?
Keep the brake on tight with your
yeah.
hand. Good. Good snick in the first gear. What we do is we go down to the bottom of the hill, or down to the end of the street, more likely. Hang a left there, and then it goes up the hill towards that mountain up there, which we call a mountain. And in that area between those two mountains is a neighborhood that we can go back and forth in, up to the top of the hill, down, back, across, back up, across, down to a second street. And on the third street down, we have a nice straight stretch of no cross streets, and that's where we can run it up to about 45 or 50 and get all the gears going and get the engine RPMs up to maybe 4,000 or 5,000 for a short distance, and then we come meandering back. So he's going to go out there and do this one three times, just to give that bike the opportunity to do something stupid. In the meantime, I will just wait here for him to get back. I think I hear him. No, I guess not. And here he comes. Under power, always a good thing. Heading for the lift, not so sure. Let's go in and talk. Well, tell me, Mr. Brown, how did
Everything went great, except
I hear an except.
that one time I was having so much fun, I decided to get on it and forgot it was a Norton and tried to get into a higher gear by shifting up. It's got a lot of good engine compression. Oops. Beautiful. Yeah. Oops.
Okay.
She shifts beautifully. She wants to go, man. She's a runner. You crank on that throttle, she is gone.
You know, the thing is with Nortons, they are very long-legged motorcycles.
Oh,
When
my.
I used to ride my Norton with my brothers on their Triumphs,
Yeah.
they used to get so mad at me because I like to cruise 70, 75, and they're back there struggling.
Yeah. Nah.
Because their bike's geared for quarter-mile drags.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
And I love Nortons because they do have long legs.
Yeah. Now, I'd say let's tighten that rear brake a little bit, just a smidgen. That's a personal thing. I just like
Okay, we'll tighten
less
it up.
throw for that.
All right.
But nah, she's good to go, assuming we look at her and there's no oil we haven't found.
I like that. No oil we haven't found.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's put it up in the air, and
Yeah.
we'll put we'll just let it do an overnight.
Yeah, absolutely.